Hi, my name is John Byrne. I live in New Zealand. I have been part with Alex's course for just around about a year right now. The reason I joined is that I could see that e-commerce is going to be a massive part of world business. I definitely wanted a side hustle in my life. I'm a performer entertainer. And so I basically looked at doing this well before this whole COVID thing hit the world and we had lockdowns. Well, as a performer, all my performances and shows were cancelled. But I was already well on the way. I already had listed my products on Amazon I had a seller's account on Amazon Australia. And currently I'm working on getting that also set up for America. So for me, it was definitely to create an income stream which was passive or fairly passive, and as a side hustle to what I do on a daily basis. And that's the reason why I joined Amazon. The reason I joined Alex's course was actually after having joined another course in Australia, and which was definitely cheaper, but I lost interest definitely after about 4 to 5 weeks. In a nutshell, you were given a software program that would enable you to look at many different products on the Amazon platform. And then it was basically up to you to get going, to set it all up, and to get it all happening. For those people who haven't actually had the experience of setting up a seller's account and getting a product and getting it listed and getting it going on Amazon, it is not easy. Yeah, it does require work. It does require energy. It does require focus. But like any other business that you will ever work on, that is exactly what you need to invest in a business. What I found with Alex's course was there was support. There was a support network. There was a communication network. There are conferences. There are workshops that you can attend. You can ask questions. You can talk and network with other people who are in the course as well to see what's working for them, what's not so much working for them, and what they used for tools to make life easy for them. And it was an absolute no-brainer. I was very happy to join Alex's course. It was very, very different and much more. I really appreciated the support and the ongoing mentorship, really, which you need. Believe me, it's something which I value very highly, and Alex has been tremendous. So that's why I chose Alex's course. What I love about the training is the ongoing support. So you've got webinars, live webinars every week that you can tap into, where Alex will perhaps show you how to use the software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords, how to get your listing more working more efficiently for you. And this is ongoing. So these support webinars are happening every week. You also have the ability to contact Alex directly. And if you're stuck somewhere or you've got some major questions, these can be answered very, very quickly. The response rate is immediate, which is fantastic. And then, of course, what is really valuable is going to the 2 or 3 day conferences where you've got a multitude of a large group of people all in the same boat, just like yourself. They're all working on setting up their sellers accounts. They're all trying to get products going on Amazon, and you can ask a multitude of questions during these 2 or 3 days. And again, you can network, you can talk, you can ask questions, and when you come away from these, you kind of feel revitalized and ready to kind of give it another crack. And you can keep doing this. Watch the webinars, go to the conferences, directly liaise with people in Alex's team. And this way you kind of feel that you have the support. And that for me, that was really important, because when you sit in your office, in front of your computer with all these screens open and things like that, it can be a bit daunting at times. And to have that support network around you and to be able to talk with people, I find that really, really important and super helpful. Would I recommend Alex's training and the course itself? Absolutely. Myself, I went straight away for the gold membership because I just realized that I really would benefit from the extra support, the higher levels of the ability to communicate directly with Alex and his team, and I haven't looked back. I strongly recommend that. I strongly recommend his course. I explained in one of my answers that I actually joined initially another course, which I was actually really not happy with. I felt I was left alone just in the abyss of millions of products and many different platforms and lots of questions and hurdles. And very, very quickly I became lost. So I changed. So for me, it was actually more expensive because I joined first one course and then I joined Alex's course. So if I can recommend anything to people who are thinking about this, is do it once and do it right. And join up with Alex and his team. And it is a great journey. You will learn a lot. Again, it's not easy, but then again, if it was easy, everybody will be doing it. Yeah, if you're thinking about selling on Amazon, then Alex's course is fantastic. Highly recommended.